After installation, Wispr Flow will launch automatically. Wispr Flow will ask you to sign in or create a free account. Go ahead and do that. When your account is created, you automatically get a 14-day free trial of Flow Pro, which gives you access to all the features. No credit card required. After signing in, you'll go through a short onboarding. I don't have it here since I'm already done creating my account and just signed in. This is how Flow learns to format your text the right way for the kind of work you do. Once setup is done, Flow runs quietly in the background. You'll see its icon down here in your system tray at the bottom right of the screen. You don't need a window open. It's always on, always ready. One thing to check before we start, microphone access. Windows might prompt you to allow it automatically. If it does, just click Allow. If the prompt doesn't show up, go to Settings, then in General, tab Find Microphone and choose the correct one. This is a one-time thing. Once it's set, you never have to touch it again. Okay, this is the feature you'll use every single day. I'm going to demo this in Slack because that's where most people spend a lot of time typing. Click into the message box so your cursor is there, then hold down the Control plus Windows key. That's your dictation hotkey on Windows. On Mac, it's the Function key, just so Mac users know. While you're holding the key, just talk naturally, like you're leaving a voice message to a friend. I'm going to say, "Hey team, quick update. The client approved the proposal this morning. We're good to move into the next phase. I'll send the full brief by end of day today." And when I release the key, there it is. Clean message, right punctuation, ready to send. I didn't type a single character. And notice, no hesitation words. Everything is capitalized correctly. That's the AI cleanup happening in real time. Push to talk is perfect for short messages. But what if you're writing something long, like a blog post, a script, or a full document, and you don't want to hold a key the whole time? That's what hands-free mode is for. Press Control plus Windows plus spacebar together and Flow stays listening on its own. No key held down. On Mac, that's Function plus spacebar. When you're done talking, just press the stop icon here, stop it, and paste your text. Let me use this in Google Docs. I'll say, "So the main thing I want to cover in today's content piece is why most people struggle with productivity. It's not about time management, it's about energy management. When your energy is low, even simple tasks take forever. When it's high, you can knock out a full day's work in a few hours." And I'll stop it. And the whole thing lands in the document, formatted and clean. That's a paragraph I would have spent 2 minutes typing and editing. It took me about 15 seconds to say. Now, this is the feature that takes Wispr Flow from a dictation tool to something a lot more powerful. It's called Command Mode, and it lets you edit existing text with your voice. First, make sure it's turned on, go to Wispr Flow app, click Settings, and in the Experimental tab, toggle on Command Mode. Here's how it works. I've got a draft email in Outlook here. I wrote it quickly, and it's pretty casual. I'm going to highlight the whole thing with my mouse. Then I press Control plus Windows plus Alt. That's the Command Mode hotkey on Windows. On Mac, it's FN plus Control. With the text highlighted, I'll say, "Make this sound more formal and correct the format." And Flow rewrites it right there in the email. Same message, completely different tone. I didn't open ChatGPT. I didn't copy-paste anything into another tool. It happened right where I was already working. Let me do one more. I'll highlight this section and say, "Shorten this to 2 sentences." Done. You can give it basically any instruction. Make this a bullet list, fix the grammar, make this sound friendlier, summarize this, translate this. Whatever you would normally do by hand or by pasting into an AI chat, you can now do right inside any app with your voice. Next, Snippets. This one saves me a huge amount of time every week. Click the Wispr Flow icon in the system tray to open it, then go to Snippets in the sidebar. Here you create voice shortcuts. where a short phrase you say out loud instantly pastes a full block of text wherever your cursor is. For example, I'm going to create a snippet with the cue, my intro, and I'll paste in my standard professional bio that I send to people all the time. Save it. Now I go into any app, hold Control plus Windows, and I just say my intro. And my full bio pastes in instantly. One cue word. You can do this for anything you type on repeat. Your email signature, a standard disclaimer, a meeting request template, your support reply scripts, your Calendly link with a full booking message around it. You set it up once, and you never type it again. Last one, the personal dictionary. Wispr Flow is already very accurate out of the box, but every industry and every person has words that a standard model won't always get right. Client names, internal product names, technical terms, acronyms. Go to dictionary in the sidebar and just type in any word you want Flow to always get right. Once it's saved here, every time you say that word, it comes out spelled correctly. No fixing, no corrections needed. Flow also learns automatically. If you dictate something and then go back and fix a word, Flow notices that and adds the corrected version to your dictionary on its own. And your entire dictionary syncs across all your devices. So whatever you've taught Flow on your Windows PC, it knows on your Mac and your iPhone too. And that's the full Wispr Flow workflow. Hold Control plus Windows to talk in any app. Control plus Windows plus spacebar for hands-free mode when you're writing something long. Control plus Windows plus Alt to activate command mode and edit text with your voice. Snippets to stop retyping the same things. And the personal dictionary so it always gets your words right. It's free to get started. You get a full 14-day pro trial when you sign up, no credit card needed. After that, you can stay on the free plan with 2,000 words a week, or go pro for $12 a month for unlimited everything. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what you're going to try dictating first. I'll see you in the next one.